Hello, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition presenting another special edition of Meal Inspirations Farm Fresh Challenge. We're moving into the 5th week of our challenge where we'll be featuring clever salads that look like a rainbow made with cucumbers grown right down the street in Alvarado, Texas. May is an amazing month for Texas produce, and here we have a list of some fresh fruits and veggies that are ready to come off the vine and ripe for you to eat. We've also included a guide for building your own salad. We're going to show you how to make our homemade honey mustard in addition to this clever salad that looks like a rainbow. We'll start by making our honey mustard using a 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar, 1/2 cup of yellow mustard, 2 cups of mayonnaise, and 1 cup of our local honey from Pearsall, Texas. We're going to pour all of those into a prep bowl. And once we get all our ingredients into the bowl, we're just going to whisk until smooth. This will make about 15 servings and can be kept in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Next, we're going to wash our fruits and veggies. So here we have our cucumbers from Alvarado in addition to some red bell peppers. We're going to take our cucumber and skin a section and then leave a little peel, rotate, and continue until you have stripes all over your cucumber. We'll cut the end off and then we're going to cut them into 1/4-inch rounds. Move those to a prep bowl. Now we're going to work on our bell pepper. We're just going to cut down vertically until we've removed all of the sides, as well as the bottom, and then we're going to cut out those white veins. And then cut them into strips. Alright, put those in a prep bowl. Awesome. So here we have some spinach, our cucumbers we sliced, our bell peppers that we sliced as well, and then we have some drained pineapple and some drained mandarin oranges, and by adding all these colors it looks a little like a rainbow. We're topping it with our honey mustard, and there we have our completed salad. Here are the recipes for the 2 items that we made for you today. In addition to that guide on how to build your own salad, feel free to change it up and make it exactly the way that you want it. And as always, we look forward to you sharing your meal inspirations with us on social media. I can't wait to see what you make with your little chef.